In this video, I'll show you one SBI promo code to use for registration. This is very easy. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to register a one SBI account and you're looking for a promo code to use, this is what to do. Go over to this homepage and click registration and take the third option. The third option that says by email is the only option that the one SBI promo code is going to work with. So once you're here, choose by email, fill in your surname and your name. And once you're here, you're going to choose the country in which you're creating your account from. So once you choose your country, your currency is also going to change to the local currency of that country. Fill in your email address, your date of birth, your password. To create a password, you're going to choose these four requirements. That says, you can read the four requirements, then create your password. Once you're done, you're going to use the promo code LEOTV. If you use the promo code LEOTV, what is going to give you a 100% bonus on your first deposit. So this means that if you deposit $1,000, you're going to receive $3,000 as first deposit bonus after registration. Hit these three boxes and register your account. Once you register your account, complete your first deposit so that you're going to receive the money sent away to your account.